Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a battery drain test. Now this is a heavy, intensive battery drain test. This is a pro version. We'll be doing picture-in-picture on gaming. We'll be doing the new cinematography mode, editing, and probably some color grading as well. We're going to see how long this battery will last. We got a stopwatch here. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down both of the screens. Alright, so for this test we will have the lights off for some time. We'll change it, so just a warning ahead. So really quick, the phone is at 100%, as you can see. Alright, to start it off with, we're going to do 15 minutes of gameplay, so we're going to be doing some Mario Kart. The battery percentage doesn't really drop a whole lot during this game, I guess you could say. We do have picture-in-picture on as well. I'll be doing it as much as possible within this test. And yeah, so we're going to go into cinematography. So I'm doing photo and video. I'll be showing you the photos and videos on the screen now as much as I can. I'm doing macro, I'm using a wide angle lens, I'm using all the lenses as much as possible within this testing. And then for the last 5 minutes, I will be doing just a video for 5 minutes straight, just to help drain the battery even faster, because video tends to drain your battery like crazy. So I just did that for about 5 minutes. And then right here, I'm trying to export for it, videos and stuff I recorded. It took a while, but it did work after 10 minutes. And then I started editing. So I edited for about 15-30 minutes. I then exported it and I recorded for another 5 minutes. And right here I am going ahead and doing a 1 hour video. And also I will categorize all of these. The video will be also added onto picture-in-picture because it's the same thing. Video is YouTube, not photography. I'll just label it as cinema for now, just to differentiate both of them. But one of them is video or YouTube or picture-in-picture, and then the other will be cinema, photo, video. After the video ended, I went ahead and played Kart for 30 minutes while having the picture-in-picture in. So 30 minutes of video and gaming at the same time, which is pretty crazy. And also I did record for, I think, most of this. I don't remember how much I recorded, but I did record a lot of it. Screen record in that opinion. But I do have gameplay on that as well. I think we recorded about 20 to 30 minutes of the gameplay. Right here I'm also just studying, so I studied for about 30 minutes. It's a white, bright screen and picture-in-picture. I also gamed on Roblox because Roblox is a battery drainer. I did that. I screen recorded, I put picture-in-picture, and I did flash for 5 minutes. And then I went ahead, switched games, did the same thing, and then put flash on for the last 5 minutes. And then I went ahead and did more video editing. So I did that for about 15 minutes. I did some photo editing, so I did that for a little bit longer. I did some more video editing again, and then I went ahead and recorded for 30 minutes in the cinematography mode, which obviously, if you don't know what that is, it's basically just background blur. You can choose where you want to have the camera focus, and I just put it on the microphone. I'll put up the image or video here. Last but not least, I had my keyboard, mouse plugged in to my phone. I had picture-in-picture and flash in for 17 minutes straight, and I screen recorded for the last 17 minutes as well. Alright, let's categorize this. So for gaming, I got 1 hour and 32 minutes. For video / picture-in-picture, I got a total of 3 hours and 7 minutes, 2 hours and 7 minutes full of picture-in-picture. For video editing and photo editing, I got a total of 50 minutes. For cinema, such as photo, video, and the cinema mode, I got a total of 55 minutes, not including screen recording. For extra miscellaneous stuff, such as the studying and other stuff, I got a total of 55 minutes. And then for flash, I had a total of 57 minutes. Also, while I was recording for 30 minutes, I also had my Blue Yeti plugged in for 30 minutes straight, which, if you know, those are very heavy consuming for power. So that's really surprising. And the battery percentage drop only went down about 15%, which is pretty crazy. For a 30-minute video, 4K, 60 FPS with a Blue Yeti microphone plus flash, that's insane. Okay, so like honestly, I've done all the testing, and even after all that, with the picture-in-picture and forcibly trying to make it die really quick, it did die a lot quicker than what it's supposed to, but it didn't get to the point where it's like super hot. It got hot at one point, but the heat dissipating on this is just It works so well. It never ever shut down yet, and it's working normally. It's working really fast, especially when editing. So if you ever wanted to edit videos on your phone, this is a go-to. This is your camera, your PC, your entertainment. Basically, this is a all-in-one phone for anything. That's how I started on YouTube, just a phone. It wasn't even really a good phone, but this phone right here, if you have the money, especially, highly recommend investing in one of these. Even the 13, it might be good still. The 13 and 13 Pro, best budget phones of 2021. I put it through heavy usage. I used a Blue Yeti, a keyboard, a mouse. I put it in the cinematography mode for like probably an hour. The claim battery life on this new phone is around 8 hours. Considering that I got almost 5 hours on this, that 3-hour gap is pretty good. Also, I'm going to be doing a charging test to see how fast this phone can charge, because since it's already dead, might as well make another video. So if you want to watch that video, iCard is on the top right. If you want to support me, I'm almost at 6,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button so I can actually give away something. Stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.